So if you want to make star, moon, and doggy, continue watching. I'm going to show you a different character today. I'm going to show you how I make these, and you can choose to personalize, draw your own characters and make your own characters. I just want to say thank you for all those who have subscribed to my channel, commented, and liked my videos. I am so happy and thankful and blessed. And guess what? Yay! I reached my milestone, which I am going to celebrate. And I encourage you all to celebrate every milestone that you set for yourself, every goal, okay? It all matters. So no matter how little, how small, you need to celebrate and pat yourself in the back because you worked hard. Hi everyone, welcome to Artsy Tarot. Thank you for tuning in today. My name is Yuri and I am very happy you decided to join us. So today I'm going to give back to all my subscribers and viewers, and if you have not joined the family, don't worry, you can still do that. All you have to do is just hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos and new readings. A lot of you are probably going back to school, or your kid is going back to school. Hey, they are not going to be around that often, and might as well do something with them, right? This is a free project. If you're not a crafter, that's okay. You could just go to my website and purchase this. This is not expensive at all. It's all handmade. I make these to sell in my little boutique, my little online shop, just to help, you know, because I need to eat, and spirits need incense. So every time I do readings for you, I need to burn incense, candles, and paper and money. You can just go grab any fabric. I just use like old pleather jackets or even leather jackets that I no longer want, or leather clothing articles. I encourage you to just scavenge through your home and see what kind of materials you have. Buttons that I have, I've collected these chain links from just like an old necklace. Okay, I don't throw things away. People might call me a hoarder, but I knew there was a reason why I collected things, and here I am today. Okay, so all you need is, you could also find these at Walmart or just any really store, and they're really cheap. You can even just get them on Amazon, okay, if you can't find any in the home. Okay, you can even use little clips like this. And key rings are great too. Okay. Okay, so you can download this on my website and feel free to use it for your family and from the home, personal use. Okay. This is just watercolor paper that I drew on, and I don't throw my stuff away because I just reuse it for projects like this. I am very frugal, yes, because I grew up very poor. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. It will help me a lot, and I can continue making free things for you all, and videos and giveaways. Alright, so I guess Halloween is coming soon, and I really do like Halloween a lot, and I know a lot of you might like Halloween as well. So I'm gonna draw, I'm just gonna sketch whatever comes to my mind, and you all can do that as well. And then I'm gonna decide if I like this size. Okay, right? So I drew that. Now I'm gonna decide if I'm gonna like it. You definitely can choose where you're gonna place your clasp, okay? And I'm thinking I'm just gonna do it up here. Just because I don't want the like horns to be ripped off. Okay, and I'm thinking that I want this to be a little bit bigger than what it is right now. Just because I don't want it too big though, but I do want it a little bit bigger because I do realize that I need a seam allowance. Okay, this is going to be hand stitch. Okay, so I'm doing that. This is rough draft. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold it in half like this. Okay, it's not perfect. This is, I do things like this. There might be people who criticize because they're perfectionists. Trust me, I was a perfectionist. And then I learned to just go with the flow and just create. Because when I try to perfect too much, it doesn't even really turn out like how I want it. You know, and I just like stress myself out. And then I wonder why I'm getting white hairs. Well, hello, Yuri. You don't need to worry. You know, you just gotta trust the universe that whatever you're doing, if you're doing it with a pure intention and you are a kind person and you're not just manipulating others and trying to ruin other people's lives, then you are going to be given great blessings and great wealth. Alright, so I'm going to just use a skirt that I no longer need, and this is just pleather. Okay, so it's not real leather, but it definitely, even if it gets wet, you can still just wipe it off or just clean it easily, right? And I'm also going to just use again, scrap from projects that I've done before and I no longer want and need, and also upcycling a pair of old boots that I don't want. Alright, so I'm going to be using these straps. Like I said, be creative and create with your kid, your family. Okay, this is going to be the loop. So this is going to be the loop for the ring, okay? Trace it. So I hope you all are having a good day or a good night, whatever time you're watching this. And I hope that this will help you be creative. Just also keep in mind that if you're using these washable markers, they do like disappear eventually. So what I do sometimes though is if you don't have those, you could just use your pencil, okay? If it allows you to trace it back with it, okay? So all you gotta do is just trace it like this, okay? Some of you who are on your journey, just know that you can talk to me anytime you want. All you gotta do is just message me and I will reply. And if I don't reply, message me again. Alright? There's many of you. And if it's a general question, if I don't reply, then that's because maybe I'll just make a video. Okay, I can't reply to everyone, but definitely do try to get in touch with me and I will try my best. Okay, so there you go. You got the two. Now I'm just going to cut it. Don't be afraid to be creative and go all out. Just look around the house to find different mediums that you can use. I am just using craft buttons and these green buttons as eyes. And I am also going to use this floral with glitter fabric. I think the green eyes and this textile complement each other very well. And even though this doll is supposed to be an ugly doll, I feel like adding this fabric is not going to take that away from it. It's just going to add a little more interest to the doll itself. And it's still ugly yet cute, so I like it. And I also decided that I wanted to use this red fabric from the boot. It again goes really well with the mauve color fabric, and all these fabrics and textiles, they just complement each other very well. So this is my one of a kind. Okay, this red is not the same exact, but it will work. Once you're done stuffing your doll, the last thing you need to do is close up your monster. And when you're done closing up your monster, all you have left to do is hang it on your purse, your backpack, your carry-on, or give it away to a friend. Whatever you choose to do, please do share your creations with me before you do anything. I would love to see where your imagination took you, what you came up with, and the different monsters. Please do subscribe, like, and comment and share this video. I do ask that you don't share my patterns with your friends or family. Please send them directly to my channel here, this video, so that they can go to my website and download, so that I can continue making free videos and free patterns and gifts for you all. I hope you all have a fun time creating. Have a good day, good night, whatever time you're watching this. Monsters and I will see you at the next video. Bye!